Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Western Digital WD Blue 2.5-inch SATA SSD. As you can see from the image on the box, this is a solid-state drive with SATA connectivity. This particular SSD comes with 3D NAND technology. It is a 2.5-inch or 7mm drive. It has 250 GBs of memory and 5 years of warranty as well. It also comes with a read speed of 550 megabytes per second and a write speed of 525 megabytes per second. That's quite considerable. Now that's more or less all the information you will find on the box. I will now open this and show you what's inside. So there you go. These are the components of the box. This is a technical support and limited warranty guide from Western Digital. This is a sealed booklet. As you can see, you should read this very carefully. You will find everything that you want to know: technical specifications, how to set up, how to install, do's and don'ts, cautionary tips and tricks, etc. You will find in this document over here. And this is the SATA SSD in question. This is the WD Blue 250 GB 3D NAND SATA SSD. And notice that this is the SATA connecting port over here. This does not come with a SATA cable though. Usually you will find an extra one in your motherboard, or not, you will probably have to purchase that one. And before installing, you will have to remove this sticker over here, which I'm not going to do because this is, after all, an absolutely fresh new SSD. And this is what you'll find inside the box, containing the WD Blue 2.5-inch SATA solid-state drive. Thank you for watching.